All right, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. We did a roof down here in Surf City, North Carolina about, oh, let me turn this off. We did a roof down here in Surf City, how long ago was that, Billy? A year and a half or so? 2 years? A couple years ago. Anyway, we had a bad storm, Hurricane Florence, and it kicked our ass down here at the coast. And this house had a big ass tree in between it, his house and his son's house, and the tree fell on the house we did. It literally knocked the house off the foundation. So they had to get it all reset and everything. And now they finally got it all reset, we're going down there to take a look at it and see what we got to do to get it fixed up. And this guy literally told me that we saved his house by having that rubber roof put on there before the storm, because the tree would have did a lot more damage and it wouldn't have been covered by anything, and obviously water would have poured in the house. But the plywood being on the top of that thing like we did in the overhang, which got tore off a little bit on the edges, which we're going to go back and fix, he says saved his house. So I appreciate the kind words he's gave me about it, and Billy and I are headed down here to take a look at it because we're coming down here Saturday to fix this thing. So I will be doing a video on how to repair an EPDM mobile home rubber roof like what we do, and putting that online next week sometime. We'll be going down there this coming Saturday. So today is actually Saturday, so a week from today. So we'll keep an eye out for the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so it lets you know when we download our next video. Thanks for watching, and in just a few minutes I'm going to show you what you're going to be looking at next week. See you then. So here we go, Surf City. I'll let you know when we get there. I know somewhere's up here before you get to the bridge was my turn. Excuse me. There was like a rifle shot restaurant right here. It's like this next turn. All right, I'll see you soon. All right, Surf City, 2 years ago. It used to have a porch on there. Remember they cut the porch off, Billy? This place right here. Oh, looks like oh my God, it looks like a big old sway back in that thing, son. I don't know if we can be able to push that fucking back down. That's big, right there. So that's where the tree hit it. Now we're gonna come down here and see if we can fix it. Looks pretty wrecked. What? It's rubber. Let's see what we can do. The whole front obviously shifted. So we'll just replace all this new metal. Hide that out. Put some new metal on this end. Let's see what we got up here. This house was actually knocked completely off of the foundation. So it was sitting off the blocks. And he said if he had not had this roof on this house, it flooded on the inside. Oh yeah, he's got some holes. That's an easy fix. That's an easy fix right there. Cut a piece of new rubber out there. Got some holes here and there, miscellaneous. Okay, so the outside just broke off, Billy. That's easy. Look, the 6-inch broke off with that tree, so it didn't damage the house. So what we'll do is come up here and take this rubber back, take it straight across here somewhere, take that piece of rubber off, remove the plywood down through here, and then because it's busted, see the 6-inch overhang is broke, we will replace the plywood with the 6-inch overhang again, and then put our new subfascia down through there, which is a 2x4, and put some new rubber on this thing. It still has a few wrinkles from back in the day. It was hotter than hell that day we put this thing together. No, this is easy repair. So, Surf City, North Carolina, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. This is what happens when you have to repair one of these things. So, here we are. Everybody wanted to see, how do you fix it if something happens? What if a tree hits it? What if it gets a hole in it? My next video is going to be on how to fix or repair your EPDM rubber. This is awesome. I'm going to see if there's a break right here. There might be some plywood broke right here too, Bill. It's broke. You see that line that I'm looking at? There's a line there, and it's busted.
Yeah, I see right there.
So we'll be taking off that, basically that side. We'll take it off from there, right up to here somewhere, where it's nice. You can see there's 4-foot piece and another 4-foot piece right here. So we'll take this off, actually probably back to here. Take it all completely off, replow with it, refix the fascia board, put it all back together. So that's what you'll see on my next video. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss it. See you then. 2.5 years ago. Oh, and the porch was literally rotted off the house. There was so much rotten stuff back here we had to fix. This is a big job. Turned out really nice. Does catch water right here, but it's the way they built the where it ran into it. It had pretty much no choice except to, since they raised that up. So it catches water, but guess what? There's rubber. It's not going to go through. It dries out, and that's what you have. So there we are on one we did at least 2 years ago. That's been hit by it. All right, so you see it. That's the damage that was caused, and this thing was off the. Go ahead, though. We're going to remove all this crap under here. Just going to get rid of it. They used to have a window that came out there, whatever they want to call them, picture frame. So we're going to go ahead and remove that crap that's up there if we can, or get rid of everything that we can. We're going to put a piece of J-channel right back there against the trailer. You can see the top piece of siding right there. We'll put a J-channel just above it, and we'll catch the front with our lip, because we're going to put a new piece of metal all the way across here. All that metal actually we're going to change and make new, but we'll make that metal so it comes down and catches this soffit, and we'll put new vinyl soffit under there and make that look really sweet. So that's the next video, guys. Hope you're watching. There it is, the one we're getting ready to come back here and do the repair on. See where the tree fell and it got the red tape. Here we are right down the street to another one that we did, actually right around the same time. So this guy from down there has seen us doing one, and he asked us to come down here and do one for him. And this is what he has. Again, 2 years later. We did it on his porch. Came around real cool. Yeah. He seen it down there. He wanted to have it over here. And he was supposed to paint that up there. Yeah. See that? Now them overhangs stay just like they did when I put them up. They don't move. Yeah, it's a 6-inch overhang with OSB. Does not move. Still looks just like it did the day we put it up, and that's freaking amazing. So yes sir, people love them. You know, you get that put over your house, and when you come back you're not worried about. Before he had them little tiny gutters and he always had water coming down his window and into the house, so he hasn't had to caulk that since he put that. So that's one of the bonuses about it. Not to mention, look at that. Look at the freaking rust behind that. Can you? I hope you can see that. There's nothing but rust, rust, rust. And that's what happens. All right, well, we're out. We are out. I'm headed back towards the house. The office is Friday. Next Saturday, we'll be right down the street. Till then, peace. We're out.